Now let's see how that design looks on a child's t-shirt. In order to use this with the moving carriage, what I've done, I've centered the hoop on the t-shirt. I pinned back the extra t-shirt on all sides so that it does not interfere with the movement of the carriage, and then proceed to embroider the design. Be right back. See, it's perfectly fine. You just have to, separate your layers, and let's go ahead and pin it back. It doesn't interfere with the movement of the carriage in any way. And so the design can go ahead and be embroidered for you.